There's something about South Carolina. The ocean breeze rolling off the Atlantic, the slow sway of Spanish moss, the Blue Ridge Mountains standing quietly in the distance. If you're over 50 and thinking about RV travel, or already living the dream, South Carolina might just be one of the best states in America to park, relax, and explore. Today, we're touring the best RV parks in South Carolina, from luxury oceanfront resorts to peaceful mountain retreats. Let's roll. If you want beachfront RV living with full amenities, this is the big one. Located right in the heart of Myrtle Beach, Ocean Lakes offers nearly 900 oceanfront sites, full hookups, concrete pads, 24-hour security, on-site store, water park, golf cart rentals. This place is a small city, but it's organized, clean, and incredibly friendly. For 50-plus travelers, paved sites, easy beach access, medical facilities nearby, tons of off-season quiet months. Best time to go? September through early November. Now, if you prefer State Park serenity over resort buzz, Huntington Beach State Park delivers. You're camping between the Atlantic Ocean, salt marshes, and the historic Atalaya Castle. This campground offers spacious paved sites, electric and water hookups, excellent bathhouses, beach access trails. It's quieter, more nature-focused, perfect for bird watchers, photographers, early morning beach walkers, and the sunsets over the marsh, spectacular. Edisto feels like South Carolina 40 years ago. No high-rises, no neon, just dunes, sea oats, and peaceful coastal living. This park offers oceanfront and wooded campsites, full hookups on select sites, bike trails, fishing pier. This is for travelers who want silence, stars, and slow mornings with coffee and a breeze. If you're downsizing stress, this is your place. Want history, dining, and culture, but still a beautiful campground? James Island is 5 minutes from downtown Charleston. Inside the park, 100-plus paved RV sites, full hookups, camp store, lake trails, holiday light festival in winter. You can explore Charleston Historic District, Fort Sumter, Waterfront Park. Then return to a quiet wooded campsite at night. Perfect balance. Let's head to the mountains. At the base of Table Rock Mountain sits one of South Carolina's most scenic RV parks. You'll find mountain views, lake access, hiking trails, cooler temperatures for 50-plus RVers, less humidity, quieter evenings, breathtaking fall foliage. It's peaceful, grounded, restorative, and in October, it's postcard perfect. Now let's talk upscale. This is not roughing it. This is private motor coach lots, brick paver pads, landscaping, clubhouse, pool, gated community designed specifically for Class A motor coaches. It's ideal for long-term stays, snowbirds, full-timers who enjoy community, and of course, Hilton Head's beaches and bike paths are world-class. If you love freshwater lakes and fishing, Lake Hartwell is a hidden gem. Waterfront sites, boat ramps, fishing docks, calm, wide-open water. It's quieter than the coast, less crowded, very relaxing, perfect for kayaking, fishing, campfire evenings. Let's talk big picture. Mild winters, long shoulder seasons, affordable state parks, short driving distances, excellent medical access, southern hospitality. You can go from the beach to the mountains in about 4 hours. For comfort and fewer crowds, March, May, September, November. Avoid peak July heat if humidity isn't your thing. Winter, surprisingly pleasant along the coast. 1. Reserve state parks 6 to 12 months early. 2. Ask for pull-through sites. 3. Consider shoulder seasons. 4. Check hurricane season forecasts, August, October. 5. Explore monthly rates if snowbirding. South Carolina isn't just a place to park your RV. It's a place to slow down, to rediscover mornings, to enjoy conversation, to watch tides instead of traffic. From Myrtle Beach to the Blue Ridge Mountains, there's a campsite here waiting for you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. We explore the best travel spots for adults who believe adventure doesn't retire at 50 plus.